Okay, so welcome back to today's lesson, which is the uses of wish. So let's have a look at the first example. We've got here a man, as you can see, holding out his pockets, saying, obviously he has no money, saying, I wish I had money. All right, and in the second example, we've got here a man working extremely hard, thinking, I wish I didn't have to work so much. All right, so when using these two examples, we need to think of the questions. So what is happening now? In the first case, the man doesn't have any money, all right? And in the second case, the other man works too much. And what do they want? Something to be different now, all right? So this is why they say, I wish I had money and I wish I didn't have to work so much. So the form that we use, wish in this case, is I wish I, and then the verb in simple past, as you can see in these two examples. Okay, so an affirmative is the verb in past simple, and a negative is didn't and the verb in infinitive. Now looking at these other two examples, we can see a man trying to work or concentrate and a child getting up to some mischief, like spilling his ice cream on top of him, and he is thinking to himself, I wish he wouldn't spill his ice cream on me. As we can see, the man is not too happy about it. He kind of looks kind of upset, annoyed. All right. And in the second example, we can see a bedroom completely messed up, and the mother or the father would be thinking, I wish she would clean up her room. Okay. So here we've got two examples of wish also. And what can we see here? In the first example, all right, we need to think again of the key questions. So what is happening now? In the first example, we can see the child is annoying him by spilling ice cream. And the second, somebody's complaining about how messy the room is. All right? And what do they want? These people that mention these, it's something to be different now. All right? And why do you want it to change? Let's think about this. Because it's annoying. All right? I wish she would clean up her room. This is like a way of complaining. You want something to change. Okay? So the difference is when you say I wish I and the verb past simple, okay? You use it to talk about things that you want different in the present, all right? And you can use was or were after wish regardless of the subject. So I wish he were taller, I wish she, it doesn't matter, all right? Whereas I wish she would and the verb in infinitive, we use it to talk about things that we want to happen or stop happening because they annoy us, okay? You can't use would to talk about yourself. So for example, I wish I would. No. You would use the verb past simple. Okay? So when you want things to stop happening because they annoy you, when you want somebody else to stop doing something, you use these. All right? So I hope this was useful and have a go at some of the exercises and I'll see you next time.